Welcome to Nelly's Nook. My name is Nelly and I have a short video today for you for photo strips, how to print them and what kind of printer and paper to print them on. As you know, there are more kinds of printers out there. I had inkjet printer that I always used for my craft. However, I bought more expensive printer, laser printer, that I thought it would be wonderful quality for my book folding craft and printing. And so I did print out my custom pattern that I was doing for one of my clients, and I figured out that it wasn't coming out the way that I wanted. So I couldn't figure out what the problem was. So I want to show you the difference between laser printing and inkjet printing. I don't know if you can see it. Laser printer, each time when you crease the paper and fold the papers, and of course you want to make it a little bit crispy, so when you crease it, you are losing the color. And I figured out that for laser printing, I have this kind of problem. So I tried about 5 kinds of papers, and every single time it came out the same ways. And each time you go over it, you are losing the color in the paper. So then I figured, okay, well, let's try my inkjet printing. And as you can see, there is absolutely nothing that is missing on my color and has a beautiful color that stays. So I figured out that inkjet, if you want to have a nice printing for your book folding, the inkjet is the one that you want to use. You don't need any expensive papers. I actually had just cheaper paper that sucks the ink nicely into the pages, and then you can crease it so nicely and it does not lose any color on it. So this one is it's a very cute picture, but it's holding pretty nicely. So comparing to that and comparing to this one, as you can see, even the colors are much nicer and vibrant than for the laser printing. So I would suggest, if you have a choice and probably you want to have a nice picture, because you're spending lots of time on folding it and working on it, use inkjet printer. Don't use the laser one because the colors are not there when you want them. I hope this will help, and have a wonderful folding. Take care.